Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. Heat wave alert in India. Delhi, Punjab and Haryana scorch as storms threaten other states. Severe heat wave conditions continue to grip large parts of northern India as temperatures remain dangerously high across Delhi NCR, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and nearby regions. At the same time, weather officials are also warning about thunderstorms and changing weather conditions developing in parts of central and eastern India. The biggest concern remains the ongoing extreme heat. In Delhi and surrounding NCR areas, daytime temperatures are continuing to hover near the mid-40 degrees Celsius range. Hot northwesterly winds, strong sunshine and dry atmospheric conditions are making outdoor activity extremely difficult during afternoon hours. Weather experts say prolonged exposure to this kind of heat can increase the risk of dehydration, exhaustion and heat-related illness. The heat wave is not limited to Delhi alone. States including Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Madhya Pradesh are also experiencing temperatures far above seasonal averages. In several areas, roads and buildings are absorbing intense heat, making conditions even harsher for residents. Warm nights are also reducing relief after sunset, adding to discomfort across many cities. However, while northern India continues to battle extreme heat, a different weather pattern is developing elsewhere. Weather officials are forecasting thunderstorms, gusty winds and isolated rainfall in parts of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and eastern India. Some areas could experience sudden weather changes as moisture begins interacting with hot surface temperatures during the active pre-monsoon period. Meteorologists say these developing storm systems may provide temporary relief from the heat in some locations, although localized strong winds and lightning activity could also create disruptions. Meanwhile, weather experts continue closely monitoring the progress of the southwest monsoon, which is expected to gradually advance further across the country in the coming weeks. The transition period before monsoon arrival often brings sharp weather contrasts, including intense heat waves in some regions and thunderstorms in others. Health officials are advising people in heat-affected areas to stay hydrated, avoid direct sunlight during peak afternoon hours, and limit outdoor activities whenever possible. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.